first thing I like to do is get all my tools laid out, what I need. For the King Quad, it's a 17 mil socket. I picked up some actual locking lug nuts as well, which is actually a 19 mil socket, but I like to get everything laid out ahead of time, ratchet and a torque wrench. So to get things started, I'm gonna start with the back. So just enough to lift the tires off the ground. So let's get you set up. So first things first, 17 mil socket on a standard wrench. Let's get these guys loosened off. Just like that. And the rim just comes off. These are directional tires, so you're going to want to make sure you have them lined up. There'll be a line for rotation right there, arrow indicating which way they go. And after that, you just kind of pick them up, put them down. I'm using some locking ones, so you need the key. Once you have them snugged up, torque spec on the Suzuki King Quad is 43.5 pounds. I've already got my torque wrench set. So same thing, you're just going to torque them in a star pattern. There we go, that's it. Fairly easy to do on the shop floor. I'm going to have it go at her and get the other four done, but it's probably all you need to see for right now. Helpful tip, loosen the lug nuts a little bit before you raise it up. So there we go. All four tires done. They look not too bad. I think they look pretty sweet actually. It's my white King Quad. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll recognize it. So there we go. Nice and aggressive. We went from the stock 25 inch up to 26, and yeah, let you guys know how these ride. So one last thing before you take it out on the trails is just check the tire pressure. Make sure your tire pressure is within the spec, and then after you ride probably like 20-30 miles, somewhere in there, just retorque your tires just to make sure they're still tight, they haven't backed off or loosened off, and yeah, rip up the trails, have fun. Time for a beer. Cheers.